Dear students, welcome back to Dr. Anima Upadhyay channel and chemistry lecture series. We will today start with a new topic on solar energy, its utilization and conversion. We want to study solar energy because it is in abundance and we want to develop certain devices and study about them which can convert this abundant form of energy into usable form. So let us start solar energy. Before starting this lecture, I would like to remind you to like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep watching my channel to get more and more knowledge. Solar means sun and its energy is called solar energy. Plants and animals survive on solar energy. Men and animals also use this energy as food for their survival. Plants, they capture the solar energy and with the help of photosynthesis, they create food on which the animals graze and survive. The carnivorous animals consume the animals which survive on the grass, and men consume both plants as well as animals for its need. Sun is present always and therefore its energy is always present there, which is inexhaustible. Sun is indispensable for our solar system. The energy from the sun is solar energy and it is present in abundance. The early men per capita energy requirement was very less, just 2500 kilocalories per day. But with modernization and urbanization, this need increased to a very high level, almost 2,30,000 kilocalories per day per capita. This increased consumption of energy could not be met with the fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum. And this has led to the search of more reliable sources like natural gas, hydropower, nuclear energy, etc. Under the natural resources is available the earth's most abundant energy forms, that is solar energy, wind energy, bioenergy, tidal and geothermal energies. But all these forms of energy are dependent on the solar energy. So, the question is to convert the solar energy into a usable form. Humans cannot use the solar energy directly as the plants do. Therefore, we need to convert it into some usable form, and this can be performed in two ways, either indirectly or directly. How to convert the solar energy into usable form by indirect methods? So, indirect methods for the conversion of solar energy into usable form is a multi-step transformation process. First, the sunlight is trapped by the plants during the photosynthesis. Animals graze on the grass and consume it as food. Animals which are carnivorous and men consume the animal or the plant products. Another form of energy is the tidal energy which comes from the oceans. But tidal energy is again dependent upon the sun. Yet another form is the winds. which blow at high speed, either due to the high altitude or due to the sea. One more energy form is the ocean thermal energy at the ocean depths. But all these forms of energy is because of the sun in our solar system. So sun is indispensable. The direct utilization of solar energy is by solar cells or black bodies. This is a one-step process in which the sunlight is directly converted into a usable form, that is electricity or heat. The solar cells traps the sunlight and generates electricity. And these cells are also called photovoltaic or PV cells. The black bodies, they absorb the solar energy, and the collector on which this is absorbed gets heated up, and whatever is kept inside the box of the collector either is cooked or it becomes very hot. And this principle is utilized in the solar cooker and solar water heater. So these are the methods for converting the solar energy directly into the usable forms. Here, with the help of figures, I have shown the examples of PV cells as well as solar heater and solar cooker. The direct utilization of solar energy is single step process. Already I have told this. So it requires only two things. One is the sunlight and other is the photovoltaic cells or the black body. This energy conversion is green as it does not eliminate any toxic substances or toxicity in the environment. But there is a major concern that silicon is very expensive, and silicon is an important element in the PV cell. Another important thing is its disposal after its productive years are over. So let us conclude with the advantages of solar energy. Sun is an infinite source of energy. PV cells neither produce harmful emissions nor do they leave any residues. The operating costs of the solar devices are low. There are no moving parts in the solar cells, and thus there is no wear and tear. As there is no wear and tear, therefore the maintenance cost is nil. It works at ambient temperature, so there is no thermal corrosion or any safety issues. The installation of the panels is convenient. It can be integrated to any existing building structures. Solar cells and panels come in modular forms, both small and large. And most importantly, it is eco-friendly. But there are certain disadvantages also. The installation cost is high. The storage of energy is almost negligible because it produces energy only during the daytime. The energy which is produced is low density energy compared to the conventional energy sources. Still, because it is in abundance and it is a renewable form of energy, and most importantly, it is eco-friendly. So, we must develop good methods to convert it into a usable form. Why we call the solar energy as clean energy? It is called clean energy because it neither produces residues which is to be disposed of, nor any toxins while generating the electricity, and therefore it is called a clean energy. Namaste. We'll continue with this in my next video, more about the PV cells. Till then, take care.